Well, hey there. How's everybody doing? This is Spike and I'm in the Frugal Fixer shop. And today, well, I needed to cut something and I pulled out the old Total Shop. I hadn't run it yet, but I made me a coupler for it. So I'm going to bring you in to show you how I made my coupler. And then we're going to fire this thing up and see if we can saw this piece of wood down to what I need to make a guitar neck out of. So let's see how that goes. Y'all ready? Let me show you how it works out. What I did, folks, is I 3D printed a 4-way adapter and a 5-way adapter, and then I tried a piece of poplar rod, which is all they had at the Lowe's, and that lasted about 3 seconds. So I put this one in, and if y'all can see right here, I squared off the ends of it on both ends so it'd go inside and so it'd fit in there like that. So it's got a little movement in it so it can wiggle, and I got the alignment pretty much best I could get it. Well, I got a bad screw down here I got to work on, one of these adjusters. But the old Total Shop is what we're working with, and it's a piece. Now don't discourage, folks. I do have this real thing to show, the super shopsmith here, 10ER 1953, I think she is. Yeah, I believe, or 52. Yeah, 52, I believe it is. Yes, it's older than I am. But I think I'm gonna convert it over to a drill press only and put it over against one of my walls. And I think may put a DC treadmill motor on it, so that means I may end up getting rid of that. I don't know until I get it all figured out. We'll see. So anyway, I'm gonna turn this thing around here. Everybody always likes to see them when they fire up, you know, because I've been working on this one trying to get it up to working speed and everything, and so I'm gonna turn it on. And there it goes. Spinning the auger on this end. Spinning the shaft. Turning the blade. I made me a plastic fence put on here to give me a little more stability. Now we're going to turn this thing up. They tell me you're supposed to go up. I guess about right there where it says soft. Got a couple of noises in it. I think she's going to need a little more rebuilding, but we're going to see if it'll cut one board anyway. All these the guides, they all need adjusting because they're all over the place. So I guess I'm gonna have to go and study from the growth rings guy and learn how to set this up, get me one of these rings to put on the top, and I guess I'll probably order a new blade because that one, well, it ain't the best one in the world. So, but the wheels look okay in it, so it's got a noise in it. We got to figure out where that little bearing noise is. So we'll chase all that down. But yeah, guys, y'all give me any ideas you got on what we got going. But hey, I'd like to say it's a success. I cut out a guitar neck on it, and let me try that right quick. Let's see how to do just do a little scroll cut right quick without going crazy. Y'all know that getting used to turning that down before you turn it off is kind of funky. But I'm going to have to say, it's got some saw marks in it. It's got some burn where I turned that corner. But it cut that 1.5 inch, 1.25 piano brace maple pretty darn good, folks. So I think we can live with that. So we might let's go make another guitar now. Time to get one started. So y'all be knowing, and I'm proud, I gotta clean it up, check some bearings, check the alignment things in it. My shaft seems to be working okay. Total Shop goes up and down, but I can't turn it up real fast with that on there. Y'all know that. And all the rest of it's up under there. We got 2 tables and all kind of goodies for it. So, like I say, old Shopsmith here is fixing to get stood up, made into a full-time drill press. And this big old table is going to get cut down to smaller where I can stand it up against one of my walls. Because I don't have any space, in case y'all ain't figured that out when you look around my shop. Now, anybody was wondering, just so you'll get an idea what's taking up all this space in my shop, it's that. That's a thermoforming machine for thermoforming ABS plastic you see on the shelves over there and on the shelves back there. And I can form up to 45 by 45, 10 inches deep on this homemade thermoforming machine. So, yeah, that's what that is. So that's taking up all that space. And everybody's got to have a Craftsman 3-way table, which I'm getting rid of as soon as I get the new drill press fixed, because I won't need anything but just a roll around work table. And then over here is the multi-purpose deal. This would be the radial arm saw, the vise, the grinder, the table router, and the right angle drill. What? Right angle drill? What's that for? Watch this. Y'all ready? Ready? Here we go. Now I'm going to tell you, if you ever turn one of them little handles on the front of this machine down here, you'll know why I put that extra right angle drill I had sitting right here on there. Okay, so guys, that's what's going on. We're going to get started on making the drill press out of this. Oh, I didn't show you. I got 2 treadmills, but this one here has got a 2 horsepower motor with all the controls and everything ready to hook up and make go. So I think this is the one that's going to get converted over and put on the old Shopsmither over there. So that'll be going here. I got to clean tubes and a lot to do on this one. It runs, but the motor's got bad bearings in it. They roar, and the bearings are really tight. I mean, they're just real super tight down here. They're real tight. Speed changer seems to be working fine. And the shaft of it up here is nice and loose when you take the belts off. So here's the plastics I make with the thermoforming machine, just to give you an idea of what we make. There's my handy dandy Magna that came with this dude right here, with the 10ER. And it was mounted on it at one time, but I'm not going to mount it on it because I got it on its own standalone table. And no more than I use it, I just drag it out, use it, and put it back. So guys, be good. If you got any input on setting up these things, y'all point me to the right video to help me line up these guides in here and get these things all figured out. This does work like it's supposed to. It just needs cleaning so it'll go up and down a little smoother, but it works. So we got that going. So yeah, when I got it, well, there's the part of it problem right here. I don't know if y'all had this problem or not, but y'all notice that right there broke off of there. And well, there'd be the rest of it right there. And that's what was wrong with that one when I took it apart. So, you know the good thing about it? That one of them was $125, and I got that with it. And the other one was free. And I got the good parts to make that motor go in it. So, can't go wrong on that. $125 for both, and I got all kind of goodies. Oh, and the 10ER, that was free too. So guys, y'all be good, and hey, if you like the Shotsmith stuff, I'm going to be doing some of it. I'm going to make my guitars, and I'm going to use these Shotsmith tools to do them. So y'all can get to keep on and refurbishing the old Shotsmith tools. And hey, growth readings, I'm going to be watching you, brother, and trying to learn all I can from you, Gary. And yeah, we're going to do everything we can to keep using this stuff and get it where we can make something out of it, make guitars out of it, and have fun. Hey, if you get a chance, hit the old subscribe and the ringy-dingy bell so you'll know when I'm going to put up a video. And hey, I'll be putting up one just about every darn day. A lot of them's got guitars in them. Some's going to have Shotsmith. Some's going to have just whatever else I come up with, because y'all just don't know till you get looking through my channel how crazy this old boy is. We 3D print, we CNC, we burn the shop down. Yep, we did. We done that last year. Don't want to do it anymore. So guys, be good, stay out of trouble, and stop by the shop anytime. The Frugal Fixer's always waiting for company to come by and hang out, and heck, I'll put you to work, nothing else. Stay out of trouble, guys. Later.